Hey plant lovers! In today's video, I'm sharing my favorite 4 beautiful small plants for balcony garden. Whether you have a spacious balcony or just a tiny corner, these plants will bring life and color to your space. 1. Fuchsia Plant. This plant thrives well in shade and features pink, red, and purple flowers. It can be grown in window boxes and hanging baskets. 2. Lavender. Lavender needs direct sunlight and grows well in pots. The aroma of lavender has a calming and soothing effect. 3. Caladium. This plant can grow between 10 to 24 inches tall in pots. It features heart-shaped leaves with lime green, hot pink, and red patterns. 4. Air plant. Air plants, also known as tillandsia or airworts, are easy to grow. They don't need soil to grow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more plant tips and tricks. Happy planting!